Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Seat Leon here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic emergency brake on this one. So on this one, we're going to want the ignition on or the engine on. So start the car. And then from here, I'm going to come to the screen in the center of the dash and go to the little car at the bottom right. Then you want to be on assist systems, then smart assistance, and in here you have front assist, so you just turn that on and off like that, so that'll be off when it's not orange, orange if you want it on. So that's just going to when there's a car in front of you and it brakes and you're not aware, you might be looking around, if you don't brake in time it will brake for you.